really easy to do. First thing you do is you click on Remitly app, and once you've actually logged in to your account on the app like so here, it will be brought you to this panel like so. Now from here, you just want to click on manage in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, which is really easy. And you just want to click on, instead of clicking on any of these, you just click on the help center option at the top right hand corner, and you actually just need to search for the cancel transfer option. Now you click on cancel transfer. You can see we click on the best option, how to cancel my transfer. Click on it. You just want to scroll down, click on this drop down, and it will give you the 6-step guide on how to 100% cancel a transfer. You just open up the app, sign in like we've already done. From here, you click on the home screen, which is right there, and you just want to scroll to the bottom and click on the transfer details and select cancel transfer option. Now once you select cancel transfer again to confirm, it will basically be, are you sure? And you want to select the reason, whether you accidentally meant to send money or you have to cancel for another reason. And it will show you the refund details in your email, and we're just right here, and it's really easy to do. You'll get a full refund within a few hours or few days.